Hi, it's really cool stuff here. I know it's been a while, but we got a box today. Came from Historic Replica Guns. I haven't seen any unboxing videos from their site specifically, so I figured I'd do one myself. So this is what the box looks like. Took my address off. It's not that big. It's kind of big, but not too big. But I already opened the other side up, so here we go. So when I opened the box, I was surprised at all the packaging, but it's pretty good. Normally, you just get your stuff like this or something from some other like fucking company. But I bought my 4 packs of caps. They brought that. I came happy about that. These are the bullets, or the shells, I guess, the blank shells that you put the caps in to fire the caps. It's kind of cool. Got 2 of them. This is the dummy rounds that you just put in the gun if you just want to shoot it, I guess, or just to reload or role play. Got 2 of those. Fucking paper. So from the last like videos I watched on YouTube, the Denix boxes were red and they looked kind of shitty, not gonna lie. But these ones, they look pretty good. I mean, I've never seen these. I've never seen any video yet of these, but they look good. Like, they're sturdy. Like, there's no fucking hole in them. That's a good thing. All the boxes I see on YouTube, there's like fucking holes in them and shit. Like someone's fucking stepped on it or something. But let's open it. Bro. There we go. Look at that. Inside into the fucking, I guess, the catalog. Show you guys that real quick. Fucking buy a cannon if you want a fucking cannon, I guess. All that shit. Some World War II guns. It's pretty cool. Vietnam guns, all that good stuff. So this is the fucking 1873 Colt replica / reproduction from Denix. Gray version. Like the old school fucking antique looking version. It's pretty cool. I bought it because I play Red Dead Redemption 2. Thought so. I just wanted something for like lore. But it's cool. It's fully functioning. Loading gate. Fucking unloader. Or ejecting rod, I mean, sorry. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, I fucking love this thing. Sick. And then I got the next one. Again, nice box. No fucking hole in it. Ain't nobody stepping on this shit. So that's good. But shit. Alright, just open it right there. Catalog, just saw it. Oh man, look at this fucking thing. This is a nickel version. Look at that. Compared to this one, this thing looks pretty clean if you ask me. Shiny as hell, nice wood. I mean, works just as good as the other one. Loading gate, ejecting rod. pretty fucking sick. So what you would do is you just take these, open this loading gate, and then half cock it back, because if you don't, it's not gonna spin. So pull it back. Fucking slippery as hell. Alright, so sorry if I'm talking kind of funny or fucking breathing in the mic or some shit. I'm kind of fat, so it is what it is. So I mean, it's all in there. 6 shots in there. You can see it right there. It's pretty sick, man. I like these. They look good. This one will be the same. Half cock it. Free spin it. I don't know. These are sick. Like I said, I played Red Dead Redemption. I fucking love these. I had to get me one. So, I mean, that's the unboxing from Historic Replica Guns / Denix, I guess. But I'm gonna be doing separate videos on these both coming up. But thanks for watching. Thumbs, yeah. Drop a like if you like the video. Comment if you got any questions. I'll be sure to get back to you. Just got my account bumping again. You know what I'm saying? Got these guns. Thank you.